Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Thai spicy grilled beef salad. You will need about 1 pound of your favorite cut of beef. Salt and pepper is really well on both sides. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Use a fork to help tenderize the meat. Do it for about 2 minutes. Marinate the meat about 20 minutes before grilling. Now I'm making toasted rice powder. This is one of the key ingredients in this recipe as it gives a smoky flavor to the dish. All you have to do is cook your rice in the saucepan. Keep stirring it until everything turns brown. Once it turns brown, let it cool completely for 20 minutes. Then put in the grinder. You can make this ahead of time and save in the freezer. Whenever you need it, you take it out and use it. So convenient. This is exactly how you want. Powdery, but a little bit grainy. It's time to cook the meat. Cook the beef to the medium well. This takes about 4 minutes on each side. Rest the meat at least 10 minutes before cutting. You need fish sauce, pepper flake, sugar, toasted rice powder, lime juice, red onion, scallion, cilantro, and mint. I will tell you later on how much you will need them. This is what they look like after I slice all the herbs. The meat has been rest, and you can see that it's absorbed all the juice back in the meat. Slice the meat thinly against the grain. In a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. You can use soy sauce instead if you like. 2 teaspoons of sugar. I use raw sugar. 2 teaspoons of pepper flake. 4 tablespoons of lime juice. Mix everything well. Add your beef. Add your red onion, scallion, cilantro, and mint. Then add toasted rice powder. Mix everything well. This is it, Thai spicy grilled beef salad. It's go really good with a crispy lettuce. This portion is about 3 servings. Now it's time that I have been waiting for. This is how you eat. Put a little bit of meat on the lettuce, a little bit of herb, and wrap it up. I can smell the smokiness of toasted rice powder. I wish you can smell it too. This is so delicious. I love the sourness, the spiciness, and then also the saltiness of it. It's such a good combination, and all the herbs is really give you such a good aroma in it. And this recipe also helped me eat more vegetable. It's so good. I put a little bit of sugar in here, but you don't taste the sweetness of it. However, the sugar really helps balance the flavor together. It is so good. Please try this recipe. And for the next meal, I added more chili pepper because I want it more spicy. You can do it however you like it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you.